modified nerf gun. They're not really different unless I put these stones in this bullet or grinded and they're in there, which will give it a faster speed and more powerful. And this is just your normal bullet. And I took one of the old snipers and put a sniper string inside there, which will go faster. So I will try the first bullet, which is the normal bullet. Here, I'll put it in. See how it goes. The modified one goes after. Right. First is the normal one.
Let's see. Well, that's alright.
And this is the modified bullet.
Oof! Did you just kill him?
I don't know. But as you can see, the distance between that one and that one.
It's about 2 meters.
Yeah. And you've just actually killed my brother, so subscribe.
Only I'll call 999.
Right.
The 999?
Anyway,
Ambulance, please.
Subscribe, please, and hope you enjoyed.
What do you mean, wait? He's dead. Okay, bye.